हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल पीआर नॉलेज रिसर्च सेंटर। तो फोरम आईएएस का टेस्ट कर रहे थे। आज टेस्ट नंबर 11 हम करेंगे। ये इकोनॉमी का ही टेस्ट है, तो सेकंड इकोनॉमी का टेस्ट है। तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। स्टार्ट करने से पहले बता दूं, अगर आपको पीडीएफ चाहिए तो हमारे टेलीग्राम पे ज्वाइन करो जाइएगा। उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेगा। और बाकी विजन के भी बहुत सारे टेस्ट कराए गए हैं। तो ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना टेस्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है। देखिए 1 से लेके 50 क्वेश्चन है, तो आप एक काम करिए 1 से 50 तक आप नंबरिंग कर लीजिए और देखिए कितने क्वेश्चन आपके सही होते हैं। तो ठीक है, पहला स्टेटमेंट है सिंडिकेटेड लेंडिंग स्प्रेड द रिस्क ऑफ बारोवर डिफॉल्ट अक्रॉस मल्टीपल लेंडर। सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट, द सिंडिकेटेड लोन कैन बी ए फिक्स्ड अमाउंट lump sum of funds but cannot be credit line. Which of the following is correct in respect to above statement? इसमें देखिए फर्स्ट इज करेक्ट, यस, एंड बट सेकंड इज नॉट करेक्ट. A syndicated loan may combine multiple loan types, fixed rate and floating rate and operating demand and with reference to the payment term. ठीक है, ये तो होगा नहीं. कैन नॉट बी क्रेडिट लाइन, यस इट कैन बी क्रेडिट लाइन एंड सेकंड इज रॉन्ग. स्टेटमेंट तो सी हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सही. दूसरा है द डिमांड फॉर मनी in an economy is likely to increase when there is an increase in general level of price of good, increase in the market interest rate, increase in income of the people, economic uncertainty of in the country. Which statement is are correct? 1 2 3 1 3 2 3 1 या फिर 1 3 4. First is right. Demand of money is an economy is likely to increase in general level of prices of good. Yes. Second is wrong. सेकंड नहीं होगा. एंड थर्ड इज राइट. इंक्रीज इन जब इनकम ऑफ द पीपल की इनकम बढ़ती तब होता है, तब लोग खरीदते जाते हैं ना. एंड द इकोनॉमिक अनसर्टेनिटी इन द कंट्री, यस. तो ऑप्शन हो जाएगा 1 3 4 डी. नेक्स्ट है इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ द बैंकिंग सिस्टम ऑफ द टर्म स्प्रेड refer to which of the following? It is difference between the rate at which the central bank lends to bank and the rate at which it lends to the government of India. It is a difference between interest rate that a bank charges on a borrower and interest rate a bank pays a depositor. It is difference between the base rate and interest rate at which banks lend to its customers. It is difference between the repo rate and the interest rate charged by the commercial bank to their customer. यहाँ पर ये क्या होता है, ये है इट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इंटरेस्ट रेट एंड दैट ए बैंक चार्जेस ऑन ए बारोवर एंड देयर इंटरेस्ट रेट बैंक्स पे टू डिपॉजिटर. Next 4. Consider the following statement. First, investment made by bank in purchase of government securities. दूसरा deposit of bank with the Reserve Bank of India. And third is deposit of people with the bank, loan disbursed by the bank to public. Which above are the considered as the assets of Bank of India? एसेट कौन सा है बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का इसमें से? फर्स्ट ये तो होगा इन्वेस्टमेंट बाय द बैंक्स इन परचेस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटी, यस. एंड सेकंड इज आल्सो राइट. डिपॉजिट ऑफ बैंक्स बाय द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, यस. एंड थर्ड क्या है? थर्ड डिपॉजिट ऑफ पीपल विद द बैंक, नहीं ये एसेट थोड़ी ना. एंड क्योंकि कभी भी निकाल सकते हैं. लोन डिस्बर्ड बाय द बैंक टू पब्लिक, यस. तो ऑप्शन हो जाएगा 1 2 4. Next, consider the following statement respect to the digital rupees, sorry. It is a sovereign currency issued by the Reserve Bank of India in alignment with the monetary policy, and it appears as a liability on the RBI balance sheet. It is insured against inflation by its very design. It is freely convertible against the commercial bank money and cash. Which statement is given are correct? 1 2 1 3 1 2 4 and 2 1 2 4. Option will be first is right and second is also right. It is insured against the inflation by its very design, no. And it is freely convertible against the commercial bank money cash, yes. Answer will be D. In contrast to Indian economy, consider the following statement regarding the cash reserve ratio. It is it is the proportion of total customer deposit that a bank must keep in the form of cash, in the form of gold in their own vault. Second, the Reserve Bank of India pays interest to bank at rate equal to the reverse repo rate on money kept with RBI under CRR requirement. And third is an increase in CRR usually result in an increase in money multiplier in the economy. Which statement are given correct? 1, 2, 3, and 3 and none. Answer will be none. Why? First incorrect because the cash reserve is either stored in the bank vault or deposit with the RBI, not in their own vault. And second is incorrect also. Bank do not get any interest on the monetary that is kept with the RBI under the CRR requirement. Okay. And third is incorrect because in an increase in cash reserve ratio lead to decrease in the money multiplier. Okay. And option B. Next, in contrast of the capital market, consider the following pair. Passive fund. It is an investment vehicle that tracks a particular market index. Scrip shares given to the employee and the company without any charges. Call option. A financial instrument that give the buyers the right to buy and the sell the obligation to sell. How many pairs are given or correctly matched? First is correctly matched, passive and the second is incorrect. A script share is share is a share given to the existing shareholders without any charge. Okay, employees नहीं shareholder. And second, Call option. Call option is correct. Call option is a financial instrument that give the buyer the right to purchase an underlying asset. Okay. तो दो सही है ऑप्शन बी हो जाएगा with reference to the monetary policy in India, the term bank rate refer to the rate at which RBI lend money to commercial bank without the requirement of the collateral. Commercial bank park excess fund with RBI for a short period of time. RBI sell government security in the market as part of open market operations. Commercial bank borrowed short-term loan from RBI against approval securities. Answer will be A. RBI lends money to commercial bank without the requirement of collateral. With reference to the velocity of circulation of money, consider the following statement. It refers to the number of time a unit of money changes hand during a particular period. A high velocity of circulation of money may indicate inflation trend and economy. First, second, both and none. Which is right? Both is right. Both 1 and 2. Next. In the context of economy, liquidity trap is a situation where depression of the domestic currency increase external debt burden on the government and companies, expansionary monetary policy fail to stimulate investment and economic growth. Yes, this is right. And second, consider the following market: government bond market, call money market, treasury bill market, and stock market. How many of the above are included in capital market? First is right, government bond market, and second is not right. The call money market is short-term market, not um, capital market. Okay, and treasury bill also will are short-term debt instrument issued by the government to the finance their short-term cash flows requirements. Okay, and stock market is right. Then 1 and 4 is right. Only 2 is right. With reference to the corporate bonds in India, consider the following statement. They can only traded in the primary market. Is this right? It is incorrect. Corporate bond can be traded both in primary and secondary market. Then it's wrong. And second statement देखते हैं तो अगर पहला गलत है तो ये तो गया ये भी गया A company incorporated outside India cannot issue corporate bond in India. Yes, this is right. And when an individual purchases a corporate bond, he become a part owner in the company which has issued the bond. Yes, no, it's incorrect. When an investor purchases a corporate bond, he become a lender to the company who has issued the bond. Okay. And only two statement is second statement right. Consider the following statement: check drawn on a current account, 1 rupee coins, demand deposit with banks, rupees 1000 bank notes. How many of the above are considered as the legal tender in India? पहले तो ये 1000 का नोट था, अभी तो नहीं है, तो ये तो भी है नहीं लीगल टेंडर in India. Okay. And second आपका जो है चेक डाउन ऑन करंट अकाउंट, ये भी गलत है, ये नहीं होगा. एंड 1 रुपीज कॉइन, यस दिस इज लीगल टेंडर. एंड डिमांड डिपॉजिट विद बैंक, नो, ये भी नहीं होगा. ओनली वन इज राइट. Next, with reference to the monetary aggregate follows by the RBI, which one of the following constitutes the reserve money? Total currency in circulation and bankers and other deposit with the RBI. Total currency held by the bank and other financier constitution in their vault case. Total currency held by the public in their hand as liquid cash. Total currency in circulation and vault case held by the commercial bank. Answer will be A. Total currency in the circulation and bankers other deposit with the RBI. Next, consider the following statement. In the post-pandemic recent past, many central banks worldwide have carried out the interest rate hikes. Second, central banks generally assume that they have the ability to counteract the rising consumer price via monetary policy means. Okay. Yeah, both are right and correct explanation of first statement. Who is the responsible for recommending person to the central government for appointment as whole-time director and non-executive chairperson on the board of state-run financial service institute? 16. Answer will be the Reserve Bank, the FSDCI, SDC, and the Financial Service Institution Bureau. Yes, this is right. With reference to the monetary policy in the India, consider the following steps: increasing repo rate, increasing cash reserve ratio, and decreasing statutory liquidity ratio, and fourth, selling government securities through open market operation. How many statements are right? फर्स्ट रीड करते हैं. विद रेफरेंस मॉनिटरी पॉलिसी, ओके. इंक्रीजिंग रेपो रेट, यस, इसका काम तो है भाई. इंक्रीजिंग CRR, यस. एंड थर्ड इज इनकरेक्ट. डिक्रीजिंग स्टेचुटरी लिक्विडिटी रेशियो, नो, ये नहीं है. सेलिंग गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज थ्रू ओपन मार्केट, यस, दिस इज राइट. ओनली 3 इज राइट. ऑप्शन विल बी सी. With reference to the statutory liquidity ratio, consider the following statement. It is percentage of net demand and time liabilities that bank must maintain with themselves. There is no statutory upper limit on the statutory liquidity ratio. It can be maintained in the form of liquid assets such as gold and government security. Which is right? 1, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 3, and 1, 2, 3. First is right, and second is there is no statutory upper limit. Yes, of course it has upper limit. SLR percentage can range between 0% and 40%. Okay, so ये तो है भाई. It can maintain the, yes, 1 and 3 is right. Next, 19. In the context of the Indian economy, consider the following statement regarding the participatory note, मतलब P notes. P notes are considered as the type of offshore derivative investment. P notes allow foreign companies to raise capital from Indian investors without listing their shares on Indian stock exchange. First is right, okay, and second is not. Because जो IRDS and Indian Depository Receipts is a mechanism that allow the investor in India to invest the foreign companies. It enables the foreign companies to raise fund from the from the Indian security market, not P notes. Okay. Then statement first is right and second is wrong. Next 20 number question है. Consider the following financial entities: regional rural bank, local area bank, and land development bank. How many of the above entities are permitted to participate in the call notice money market both as lenders and borrowers by the Reserve Bank of India? हम्म, देखिए कॉल मनी क्या होता है? मार्केट सेगमेंट होता है मनी मार्केट का, जहाँ शॉर्ट टर्म फंड मिलता है। ओके, बारोड किया जाता है फॉर वन डे, एक दिन के लिए या फिर एक नाइट के लिए। इसको कॉल मनी बोलते हैं। ये इसका टाइम पीरियड होता है 2 से 14 दिन का, और इसे नोटिस मनी भी बोलते हैं। इट इज प्राइमरी यूज्ड बाय बैंक ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड टू मैनेज द शॉर्ट टर्म। ओके, financial entities allowed to participate in call money market as both the lenders and the borrowers include scheduled commercial bank, excluding the local area bank. And ये पहला ही सही है, दूसरा गलत है। ये अर्बन कोऑपरेटिव बैंक होता है, तो इसमें नहीं होगा। वन इज राइट। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट: द गवर्नर ऑफ आरबीआई is appointed by the central government. Is this right? Mhm. Yes. सेक्शन 8 ए के अनुसार रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1934 प्रोवाइड देयर शैल बी ऑन गवर्नमेंट नॉट मोर देन पर डिप्टी गवर्नर appointed by the central government and the central board RBI. And certain provision in the constitution India give the central government the right to issue direction to the RBI in public interest. Yes, the governor of RBI draws the power from RBI Act. Also right. Oh no, second is incorrect. First is right. Yes. The second is incorrect. The certain provision in the constitution given the no section 7 RBI Act के द्वारा मिलता है, ना कि इसके द्वारा। तो आंसर 1 and 3 is right. With reference to the monetary policy instrument in India, what is our difference between the standing deposit facility and reserve repo? The SDF does not require collateral, whereas repo reverse repo involves lending against government security as collateral. Second, the interest rate under the SDF is typically higher than the policy repo rate, while interest rate under the reverse repo is typically lower than that of the policy repo rate. How many statements are correct? Only one is correct, second is incorrect. Answer will be A. Next, with reference to the market stabilization scheme, consider the following. Under the MSS, the RBI issues government security with the primary objective of absorbing excess liability from the economy. MSS security are typically in the form of treasury bill and dated government security. The proceed from issues of MSS security of maintenance in separate account which is maintained by RBI. Which of the following statement is correct? 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All is right. 1, 2, 3 सभी सही है. To ensure financial stability, the RBI imposed the prompt corrective action framework on bank based on breach of certain financial parameters by the bank. Which of the following among the parameters? Non-performing asset, capital to risk weight asset ratio, and liquidity coverage ratio. फर्स्ट इज राइट, एनपीएस एंड कैपिटल रिस्क वेटेज एसेट, ये थोड़ी ना होगा, तो आंसर ए होगा। With reference to the urban cooperative bank in India, consider the following statement. They are supervised and regulated by the local board set up by the state government. They can issue equity share and preference share. They were brought under the purview of Banking Regulation Act 1949 through an amendment in 1966. How many statement is correct? First is incorrect. Because the Urban Bank Department of Reserve Bank of India is vested the responsibility of regulation and supervising primary cooperative bank, which is popularly known as the UCBS. Okay, तो ये तो गलत होगा. And second, third is right. Then answer will be B. Next, priority sector lending is an most appropriate example of which of the following credit control method: moral suasion, direct action, margin requirement, and credit rationing. Answer will be credit rationing. Next, with reference to the Monetary Policy Committee of Reserve Bank of India, consider the following statement. It has been set up under the RBI Act 1934. It is responsible for fixing key policy rates in a country. The governor of RBI, while acting as the chairman of committee, has a casting vote in case of equality of vote while deciding any question which come up before the committee. There shall be a list for meeting of MPC against in a year. Which statement is correct? 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer will be all correct. Consider the following statement with respect to digital banking unit in India. Regional rural bank with past digital banking experience are permitted to open DBUs and they are not allowed to offer credit card to their customers. Both are incorrect. They are allowed to credit card, okay? And regional rural banks, the past digital banking experience permit to open DBUs, no. The RBI guideline state the scheduled commercial bank, others than regional rural bank, payment bank, or local area bank with past digital banking experience are permitted to open DBUs in Tier 1 to Tier 6 centers unless otherwise specifically restricted without having any need the permission from RBI in each case. Okay, only two is right. Neither one are right. दोनों गलत है. टर्म है, मीनिंग है. बुल मार्केट क्या होता है? मार्केट कंडीशन वेयर प्राइस सिक्योरिटी आर राइजिंग एंड आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू राइज फर्दर. फर्स्ट इज करेक्ट. सेकंड देखते हैं. शॉर्ट सेलिंग, बायर शेयर से लोअर प्राइस एंड सेलिंग एट हायर प्राइस लेटर. इनकरेक्ट है. इसमें इन्वेस्टर बारो शेयर ऑफ स्टॉक, दे डू नॉट ओन सेल them on the open market. I am to buy the back later a lower price. Okay. And for the third is private placement, a method of raising fund by selling securities to a small group of select investor. Yes, दो सही है इसमें. With reference to the Financial Stability and Development Council in India, consider the following statement. It is statutory body established under the Payment and Settlement System Act 2007. The Finance Minister serves as its chairman. Enhancing the inter-regulatory coordination and promotion of financial literacy are two important focus areas. FSDC. How many statements are correct? 1, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Answer first so incorrect and it is not a statutory body. The Financial Stability and Development Council is not a statutory body. It is established under the Payment and Settlement Act 2007. Okay. And true and third is correct. Answer will be B. Consider the following statement. In terms of short-term credit delivery, the agriculture sector district central cooperative bank deliver more credit in comparison to scheduled commercial bank and regional rural bank. One of the most important functions of DCCBs is to provide fund to the primary agriculture credit security societies. Which of the following is correct? 1, 2 and both and none. First is incorrect and second is correct. Answer will be B. Next, in context of financial market, consider the following statement regarding the credit default swap. It provides protection to creditor from uncertainty regarding payment by the borrower. It is prohibited in India. How many statements is correct? First is correct. It is prohibited in India. No. Credit default swap are not prohibited in India. Okay. So answer will be only one. Next, reference to the function of a small financial bank. Consider the following statement. They are permitted to provide a remittance service. At least 50% of their loan portfolio should constitute a loan and advance up to 25 lakhs. They can set up subsidiaries to undertake non-banking financial activities. How many statements are correct? First is correct, and second is also correct, and third is incorrect because RBI guideline explicit prohibit SBS the setting up subsidiaries for non-banking financial activities. ये आरबीआई करता है ना कि ये तो आंसर हो जाएगा 2 इस मैच. With reference to external commercial borrowing in India, consider the following statement. ECBS are commercial loan raised by eligible borrower from non-resident lender with minimum average maturity period of 10 years. Prior approval from RBI is mandatory for any organization to raise any fund through ECBS. ECBS cannot be availed by making equity investment in India. How many statements are correct? Only 3 is correct, बाकी सब भाई wrong है, तो आंसर विल बी सी. ये आरबीआई द्वारा होता है ना कि इसके द्वारा, एंड गलत है इसलिए. कमर्शियल लोन क्या है? एबीसी कमर्शियल लोन रेज बाय obtained by eligible borrower from non-raising lender. Okay, with a minimum average. नहीं, all FGS are subject to minimum average maturity period of 3 years. 10 year नहीं 3 years है, तो इसलिए गलत है. और सेकंड है approval from RBI mandatory for an organization known. The answer will be only 3. Next, the RBI act as bankers bank. This would imply which of the following? Other bank retain their deposit with the RBI. The RBI lent fund to the commercial bank in time of need. The RBI advised the commercial bank on monetary matter. How many statements are correct? All is correct. With reference to the regional rural bank, which of the following statement is correct? They are mandated to allocate a minimum of 75% their adjusted net bank credit toward priority sector lending. They are not permitted to borrow fund under the purchasing operation facility Reserve Bank of India. How many statements are correct? First is correct and second is incorrect. Okay, RBIs were not permitted to avail the liquidity adjustment facility. Answer will be A. Consider the following statement. Protecting the interest of investor in securities market, regulation of payment and settlement of system in India, registration and regulation of credit rating agencies, granting approval to the foreign direct investment under government route. Securities and Exchange Board of India perform how many of above are given function? फर्स्ट इज करेक्ट, इसको करता है, और सेकेंड इज इनकरेक्ट. पेमेंट एंड सेटलमेंट सिस्टम एक्ट 2007 प्रोवाइड द रेगुलेशन ऑफ सुपरविजन ऑफ पेमेंट सिस्टम इन इंडिया. ओके, ये नहीं होगा. एंड थर्ड इज करेक्ट, से भी करता है. एंड फोर्थ इज इनकरेक्ट, ये नहीं आता इसके अंदर. तो कौन सा सही है? 1 3 2 सही है बस. नेक्स्ट है. With reference to the Indian economy, consider the following statement. It is highly likely that the currency deposit ratio will decrease during the festival season in India. Festival season में घट जाता है. No, it increase, not decrease. And cash withdrawals by the banking customer rise as they prepare the increased spending festivities, entertainment and travel during festive season. Yes, second is correct. Then answer will be first incorrect and second correct. Okay. Consider the following statement regarding the RBI Act 1934. It mandated to RBI to function as the bankers for central government. It empowered the RBI to announce a series of bank notes of any demonetization, denomination to be invalid. Which of following statements are correct? First is correct, but second is incorrect. Because according to section 26 of RBI Act, the central government, not RBI, has the authority to declare any series of bank notes of any denomination invalid after receiving a recommendation from the central board of the RBI. Okay. Next, with reference to the microeconomic, the paradox of thrift states that high level of saving rate in the economy may lead to decrease in the economic growth. Higher consumer spending reduce the need of government intervention in the economy. Increasing tax rate beyond a certain point will lead to reduced tax revenue for a government. Household spending increased during the recession and decreased during boom period. Answer will be A. High level of saving rate in the economy may lead to decrease in economic growth. Next 41. Which of the following policy help to raise interest rate un- unambiguously and thereby lead to appropriate currency? Answer will be D. Contractionary monetary policy and expansionary fiscal policy. 42A. With reference to the priority sector lending in India, consider the following. Loan to self-help group directly engaged in agriculture and allied activity. Second, loan to unit in the khadi and village industries sector. Loan to farmer under Kisan Credit Card scheme. How many of the above loan given schedule commercial bank can be considered as part of priority sector lending? All होगा. Next. With reference to the bank and non-banking financial companies, consider the following statement. Bank can accept demand deposit, whereas NBFCs cannot accept demand deposit. Is this right? Yes. And unlike bank, NBFCs do not form part of the payment and settlement system. Yes, unlike bank, deposit insurance facility, deposit insurance and credit guarantee corporation is not invalid to depositors for NBFCs. All is right. Answer will be D. Next है 44. Consider the following: individual deposit with payment bank, interbank deposit, deposit of foreign governments. How many of the above given deposit in India are insured by the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation under its deposit insurance facility? Answer will be only first is correct, but second, third is not correct. Then answer will be only A. Next, which of the following with regard to the term bank run in is current? The net balance of money a bank has in its chest at the end of the day business, the ratio of bank's total deposit and total liabilities, a panic situation when the deposit holders start withdrawing cash from the bank, the period in which bank creates the highest credit in market. Answer होगा C. Panic situation when the deposit holders start withdrawing cash from the bank. 46. With reference to the capital market in India, consider the following statement about the infrastructure investment routes. First, they are regulated by the Securities and Exchange Board of India. Retail investors are not allowed to invest in InvITs. Both the interest income and dividend from the deposit infrastructure and investment trust distributed to their depository are taxable. How many statements are correct? First is right and third is right. Then answer will be 1 and 3 is right. With reference to the treasury bill in India, consider the following statement. They are short-term debt instrument sold at a discount to their face value. They can be issued by both the government of India and the state government. Answer will be A. First is correct, the second is incorrect. And next, with reference to the money market in India, consider the following information. Commercial commerce commercia for commercial paper can be sued corporate house and फीचर क्या है unsecured money market instrument क्या सही है ओके फर्स्ट जो है वो करेक्ट मैच है। एंड सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ डिपॉजिट है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया द्वारा होता है, तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एंड इट इश्यू अगेंस्ट द गवर्नमेंट डिपॉजिट विद रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। तो ये जो इश्यूड फंड्स डिपॉजिट एट द बैंक ऑफ स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज इशूड, ये इनकरेक्ट है भाई। एंड थर्ड इज करेक्ट, थर्ड इज आल्सो इनकरेक्ट। कैश मैनेजमेंट बिल है ना, कमर्शियल बैंक इश्यूड बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू मीट इट्स टेम्पररी कैश फ्लो mismatch mismatch. It was introduced by the government of India consultation with RBI. Okay, they are almost similar to T-bill. ये नहीं होगा भाई कमर्शियल बैंक, तो ये भी गलत है। तो नेक्स्ट तो इसका ओनली वन सही है। With reference to the exchange traded fund in India, consider the following statement. A demand account is not required for investor to invest in ETFCS. एफसी मतलब एक्सचेंज ट्रेडेड फंड्स। कैपिटल गेन टैक्स इज imposed on the profit earned through the ETFs. Which of the following statement is correct? 1, 2, both and none. Answer will be B, not 1. Okay. Next, last question. With reference to the financial market in India, consider the following statement about the Nidhi companies. They are registered under the Companies Act 2013. Yes. And they are regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. No. किसके द्वारा रेगुलेट होती है? They are regulated by Government of India under Section 406. Okay. And they are accept deposit only from their members. Yes. Then answer will be 1 and 3. तो वे हो गए 50 क्वेश्चन। कितने सही में बताइएगा, और पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए, और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत।